Take a ride in the 2018 Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player, CD player, power door locks, bucket seats. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.